Have you heard of the project management tool that was created by accident and is now a billion-dollar company? That tool is ClickUp. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to this versatile platform, explain what it does best, and show you why it aims to be the one tool that can centralize all your work.
Yeah, so let's start. So thank you for spending your time, your night with me. And yes, let's start the boot camp. So syempre, we're all here because of ClickUp. So it's the reason why we're here. So thank you for spending your time. So ano nga ba yung ClickUp? So for those people na this is the first time na maririnig nyo yung ClickUp. So in a nutshell, it's a task and project management tool. And a few trivia about ClickUp is it was founded in 2017, and it's one of the fastest growing startup. It's actually a billion-dollar startup, so it's a unicorn. So yun yung term sa startup world pag billion-dollar na yung valuation ng isang company. And it's accidental. So the keyword is accidental kasi ang story daw niyan, and you can verify after this webinar, is ClickUp is a dev team. So dev team sila, and they wanted to create a social media platform na mas refined compared, let's say, sa Facebook, ganyan. And then, they were having hard time managing their development task. And I think they were using Jira. So, maraming pain points and experience. And what they did is, parang na frustrated na sila, they created their own platform to manage their development task for that social media platform. And then, anong nangyari? ClickUp na, yung dev platform na ginawa nila, became their product, and they actually hindi na pinursue yung social media platform, and then it became a billion-dollar startup, di ba? So ang galing nung story. Another thing would be, it's a versatile project management and productivity tool. So the keyword again is versatile. What that means is ClickUp is very customizable. The level of customization that you can do is endless. So sobrang daming puwedeng gawin, sobrang daming features. But of course, the caveat there is that medyo mataas yung learning curve. So if you're trying to learn it on your own, medyo nakaka-overwhelm, and you can get lost in the rabbit hole watching YouTube videos, pero it's not clear or assurance na, ay, magagaling na ako sa ClickUp pag pinanood ko. No. For me, I learned by doing. I learned by practicing and using ClickUp. So I became also, I'm also, so pareho kami ni ClickUp, I'm also an accidental ClickUp consultant kasi VA ako for the longest time. My last job was an operations manager. And then my boss decided one day, okay, let's transfer to ClickUp. So I had to learn it. I was forced to learn it because I had to transfer all our data, our systems, and train the team and build the company within ClickUp. So that's almost more than a year, or 8 to 10 hours a day of using it. And that's how I became a master. And then I joined the Facebook group. Sabi ng boss ko, join ka dyan para pag na-stuck ka, mag-post ka lang ng question. And then I thought, okay, nung nag-join ako actually yung sumagot ng mga question kasi yun pala, yung mga members ng Facebook group, medyo basic pa lang yung ano nila, basic yung mga questions. So that's when it gave me an idea na pwede pala akong maging consultant kasi I can answer in the comments. I answered so many comments na mga basic lang naman. So yun ang trivia din na pareho kaming accidental ni ClickUp, no. So next would be it's centralized kasi ang ginawa kasi ni ClickUp, all the best features na magaganda from other project management tool, pinagsama-sama niya. Pinagsama-sama niya into one single platform. In a way, so centralized na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan gumamit ng maraming apps. So just disclaimer lang, no, because I've used ClickUp extensively. So I have a deep understanding na kung what ClickUp can and cannot do. So I think that's an important piece na we need to understand kung ano ba yung limitation or ano yung best na kayang gawin ni ClickUp. So the first one would be ClickUp is the best as a task management tool. So it will help you to manage your task, kung ano yung kailangan mong gawin. It's also great to manage projects, especially kung you're part of an agency and you have multiple projects at the same time. So for example, ikaw din ay isang project manager. So yan, may mga overlapping projects na you need to make sure na you're on top of it, on top of all your projects. So it's gonna be great for that. Next would be reminders. So kailangan mo ng to make sure na you get reminded of key dates and critical dates for your project. So it's gonna be great for that. But of course, next would be yung action items, yung mga kailangan mong gawin. So kunyari may meeting ka, may consultation ka, nag-weekly stand-up kayo, kailangan mong i-capture yung mga to-do list mo. So imbes na ilalagay mo siya sa post-it, sa ClickUp mo na siya gagawin. So it's great for those four things. Another thing would be the other side of that would be kung ano yung hindi advisable when it comes to ClickUp. So ClickUp is not the best as a CRM. It can be a basic CRM. Pero kung kailangan mo ng email sequence, automatic email sequence, ng text messaging, kailangan mo mag-email blast, so more on the marketing side, at kailangan mong mag-relate ng companies na may multiple contacts at may iba't ibang projects, so baka mas database or CRM na talaga yung kailangan mo. And mas maraming specialized software for that. So top picks among our clients would be HubSpot, High Level, Salesforce pag mga enterprise. So yun yung mga top picks. Next would be database. So pag sinabi nating database, you're dealing with a huge volume of data. And you need to analyze or do yung analytics ng data na yun. So ClickUp is not the best for that. Although it can handle a database format, then it has relationships then, just like the database. Pero kung talagang sobrang laki ng data, I think mas maganda yung mga topics for that use case would be Smartsheet, medyo pricey lang. And the best out there is Airtable. Airtable for database functionality. So next would be file storage. Although ClickUp po is unlimited file storage, lalo na sa paid account, pero I don't recommend using it as a file storage. What you can do is to add the links to files or folders ng cloud storage nyo, imbes na mag-a-attach kayo. Because there's a risk, of course, if you lose those files. Or, pag kinlose mo na kasi yung task, mahirap naman mag-treasure hunt ng mga files na yon. So might as well use the right tool for the right job. So kung file storage, use Dropbox, Google Drive for that. Hindi sa ClickUp. Okay? So yun lang. I just want to get it out there para alam natin yung mga do's and don'ts. Next would be, bakit nga ba ClickUp? Why am I advocating? Why do I love and hate ClickUp at the same? Why am I advocating for ClickUp? Bakit hindi yung ibang platform? Bakit yung ClickUp yung napili ko na mag-consult for? Una, dahil nga ginawa ni ClickUp yung mga features pinagsama-sama sa isang platform, it's gonna be more efficient to work on a daily basis kasi ang tendency natin, lalo na pag may mga ADHD, 1,000 yung tabs natin, tapos sobrang bagal na ng computer natin kasi hindi natin mahanap kung nasan yung window, kung saan tayo nag-work. So in this way, since andun na lahat, hindi mo na kailangan mag-open ng multiple tabs. So ma-minimize na yung kailangan mo na software to fulfill your job on a daily basis. And next would be, ang tendency kasi is, lalo na pag leader, no? Pag leader ka or department head ka or operations manager ka, yung accounting, iba yung ginagamit. Yung sales, iba yung ginagamit. So, wala kang visibility kung anong ginagawa ng team mo. And then, the daily conversation would revolve around that. Or, kailangan mo silang tawagan kasi nagpapanik ka na hindi mo alam kung anong nangyayari. So, si ClickUp, because it's customizable, it can fit your accounting department, your marketing team, your sales, your delivery, your service delivery. So, everybody can work in one platform and you'll have an overview and visibility of that. So you're not second guessing and hindi mo kailangan mag-chase kasi andun na lahat. Okay? Another thing is everyone knows what to do next. Bakit? Kasi unless super organized ka, na pinaplano mo yung day mo the night before at alam mo na yung gagawin mo the next day. Hindi ako ganun. So not everybody can do that, di ba? So instead of you looking for the things that you need to do on a daily basis kasi meron kang post-it, may notebook ka, may calendar ka, may notepad ka, so it's everywhere, ClickUp will just provide you the information. Hindi mo na siya kailangang i-treasure hunt again kung anong gagawin mo for the day. Bibigay niya siya, ito yung agenda mo for the day, ito yung mga tasks na ang due date ay today. And yun na. So, it is feeding you that information instead of you looking for that information. Next, So all teams can work together finally. Again, this is the piece about, one single platform na pwede mong gamitin for different functions, whether it's accounting, finance, marketing, sales. As long as alam mo siyang i-customize, that team can finally work together. Hindi na kayo may sariling mundo or siloed in a different system. And it's easier to collaborate, di ba? Next, you'll get a bird's eye view of everything. And this is the power of ClickUp that I've seen among its competitors and other tools. Kasi, yung hierarchy niya. So, I'll dive deep into hierarchy. Gusto mo makita lahat ng nangyayari sa business or sa company, whether anumang department siya, pupunta ka dun sa everything view. Pero kung gusto mong makita yung certain department, kunyari marketing lang, pupunta ka dun sa marketing space level view.
Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found the content helpful and insightful. If you're ready to dive deeper and get a more comprehensive step-by-step guide on using ClickUp, we invite you to join our full course. Our course is packed with detailed lessons, practical tips, and hands-on training designed to help business owners optimize their processes or to empower virtual assistants to take their skills to the next level. Whether you want to streamline your business operations or become a ClickUp expert, we've got something for you. Enroll now and get lifetime access to exclusive content, expert guidance, and all the tools you need to succeed. Click the link in the captions to start your journey with us today. Once again, thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our course. Let's take the next step together and make your goals a reality.